So, to sync up the audio. Hello, yes. Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Somewhere in between me getting lost in time and space and buying IKEA furniture and moving and all of that stuff, there are some things that didn't get built. So I thought it would be kind of fun to build them with you guys. Or I'll build them and you watch me. Yay. Also, shout out to, after 5 years of having this camera, I finally figured out how to use the autofocus while I'm filming. Let's get started. So I have this nightstand here. I guess I'll just tear it. I should probably put this on the ground. That'd be good. That'd be a good idea. Why don't I point this down a little further so you can actually see what I'm doing a little better. Cool. Yay, we got it open. Let's see here. We have directions, and I like to follow directions. This is cute. What am I doing? How do we do this? These are so tiny. What could these possibly be for? I don't know. Okay. Oh. It's a baggie with all of the things in it. I'm just gonna make like piles of things that are the same. I think that's what I'm supposed to do. This has a sticker on it. I don't want it to have a sticker on it. Okay, if I'm very careful, maybe I can get the sticker off. No. Now it looks even worse. Come on. Ah. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Okay. Whew. Okay, so I think we start with these guys. How do I... Okay, this guy... Okay, they're all slightly different. Okay, so I'm supposed to take... this bag is labeled with the number 1. Messing things up. Scraping my knee. No big deal. Screwdriver. Dump these guys all out. Oh, why are these so hard to screw in? They're always so hard to screw in. Huh, that second one was a lot easier. Normally, if I were doing this without filming it, I would probably be listening to music or something. But since I'm filming, I can't, so I'll just sing to myself while I'm talking or whatever. Oh, yeah, okay, that's it. Okay, now it's these guys. Let me see, are they both the same? Yeah. So this gets to go here. This one, move out of the way. Get out of the way. Out of the way. Okay. Okay. That's a flattering pose. Oh my goodness. I don't want to lose any of my wooden pegs. Actually, I'm supposed to put them into this side. I don't think it really matters, but they slip in a little easier to this side. Building IKEA nightstand. Gonna have a bigger nightstand than I used to have. It's gonna be really cool. That. Oh no, there's a little chip in this corner. I'm sure it's fine. Come on. I did it! One more side to go. It's always the part that scares me when I'm pushing 2 parts in together, because I'm always like, what if I do it wrong? What if I break it? Nope, not quite. I think that's as good as I will get that for now. Okay, there we go. It's really hot in here. I need to put my hair up. I spent like an hour curling it, and now I'm just gonna put it up. Whew, okay, that's better. Which way is this supposed to go? Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, that says left and that says right. Awesome. I did it right. I am the IKEA furniture building master. Okay, so it stopped filming a while ago, and I don't know how much long ago that was. Oh man, what if I didn't record the entire first part? I would die. I was accidentally not recording until now. Oh, that would be the worst. And then if I do this. Oh, thank God. Okay. So my battery just died, and I don't know if the entire first part of this got recorded. I'm really hoping it did. But yeah, here we go. More furniture building. True. Okay. Kind of loosely put these all in first. I'm building furniture. La 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 la. We're building IKEA furniture. What's wrong with me? Now it's time for the cam screws. I think that's what these things are called, the cam screws. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know why, but I really love building furniture like this. It's fun for me. I guess it makes me feel like I can build things. I like making things with my hands. Now for this side. Okay. Let's call that good. What's the next step? More of these guys. I made this one a little crooked. It's being difficult at me. Gotta go real hard at them. That's what she said. Yay! I did it. Okay, so next are these things. Yes. Yes. Cool. Oh, and we're on to packet number 2. These little things. Oh no. Oh, there are nails. I hate when there are nails. Got it. So now I get to put the pegs on the other side. Okay, here goes nothing. Okay, let's pretend I did this right, please. There we go. Oh, 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 I did it! Yay! Oh yeah, now I get to do the cam screws on the other side. Can I just do this without looking at it? Can I do it blindly? Yes! I don't like the way that sounds. Okay. Now it's time for the top. That's done. Oh, and it just stopped recording. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, so I definitely just put my leg down on one of these screws that are sticking out. Fun times. Anyway, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to cut out so much of this video. Now I get to put the top on. Okay, I only have 4 wooden pegs. I don't know where the other one went. I'm missing a peg. Okay, you know what? I have extra of these somewhere. It's my little baggie of spare parts. Every time I have extra parts after building some sort of furniture, I keep them just in case. Yeah, so this is not quite the same, but it'll do. It's probably the best we're gonna get. Oh. Oh, okay. Yay, I did it. Almost. Come on. Now it's time to put the back on. I hate it when you have to use nails, but I have to use nails. Okay. Okay. Oh, here goes nothing. No, 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 no. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like it. No. Oh. I know, I'm just ruining this nail. Okay. Oh, gosh. I messed up. Okay, I'm just ruining this whole thing apparently. 2 down, 12 to go. I'm just gonna call that good. Oh wow, this white balance is not good. Now I have to make the drawers. Ooh, excuse me. Oh, why? I refuse to believe that this is only counted as 2 minutes of exercise. This whole thing is a workout. Woohoo! And that's a drawer. Yes, Arden, of course it's a drawer. What else would it be? Oh, this is more hammering. I don't like the hammering. Just gotta suck it up and do it. You make loud noises. I am allowed to make loud noises. I am allowed to exist. And I apologize. Any of my neighbors have young children who are taking their naps right about now. I don't want to be doing this. Maybe I can just like push it forcefully enough that it like, maybe. Okay, moment of truth. And I have to do it again on the other side. I don't like it. I don't like it. That's it for this drawer. As far as the hammering is concerned, I still need to put on these things. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Ah, we almost got this. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. I don't know that song very well. Beyond that a little bit. Okay. Yay! And then I think just get this knob to turn. I did it! Success! I have to do another drawer, and then I have one more nightstand. Okay. That doesn't look right. Okay, well, I have made the body of the nightstand and one of the drawers. So I'm just gonna call that a day for now. Be sure to leave a like if you liked it. And if you want to be notified every single time that I make videos for this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I'm supposed to tell you to do that. Okay, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.